What's going on, guys? Let's talk about it. Let's talk about what's trending right now to get small YouTube channels up in the rise. Okay, like right now, the name of the game is supporting each other. You gotta find those small YouTube channels. It's my baby. You gotta find those small YouTube channels that are seeking, that want to grow. You know what I mean? So that they're pushing out their content, they're making videos and helping people with information and how to grow their YouTube channels. So the name of the game, like I said, is building a community, is pushing out information to help each other out and to grow. So the small YouTuber community, it's a really big community if you think about it. There's so many new creators out there that want to get monetized, and we're trying to figure out how in the world can we just hit that goal, the beginning of our long journey, which is becoming successful YouTubers. So of course, being what's the word? Of course, being consistent is very important in growing your YouTube channel, because you still got to make videos. You still have to make content in order for people to view it, so you can get those watch hours. And what is it all for if you're not making videos anyway? You have to help people in order to grow your channel. That's the most important thing. To communicate. Comment in these YouTubers comment section. Let them know you're there to support. This is a long journey. So communicate, comment in people's posts. Excuse me, not posts. Comment in people's YouTube video comment boxes. Communicate. Always drop down your YouTube channel's name. Okay, so right now, the reason why small YouTubers are being pushed, the algorithm is pushing small YouTubers channel, is because they're helping people. Like it's if you think about it, it's just like a small YouTuber community, and it's awesome. Like that's all you gotta do. Just put out information, make videos like this where you're letting people know, you're letting small YouTubers know that communicating is helping small YouTubers. Letting small YouTubers know to support, and you'll support them back. You know. Another thing is learning from each other. There's so many successful YouTubers out there that are putting out information for us small YouTubers as a blueprint to follow. Right? So you gotta follow and subscribe to those successful YouTubers. Yes. You gotta do the work. Learn. Be coachable. Be teachable. You know, put in the work. You got to put in the work. Nothing comes easy. Okay, and be patient. That just because you're not seeing numbers the first few weeks, the first month, 1 subscriber, 2 subscribers, it's okay as long as you stay consistent, and you just keep working. The universe will get back what you put out. That's how it works. You put out what you get back. Whatever you put out is what you get back. Okay, so always make sure, stay positive, don't lose track. Everyone has those moments where they feel like, what is this all for? Trust me, I've been there before. I am there right now, but I started following a few YouTubers, like Dante London, like what's her name? Tashayla, I think that's her name. She's a small YouTuber. I think she just reached 5,000 subscribers, and she's the one that kind of motivated me to do this video, because she's just, it's all about community. It's all about community. This is a small YouTuber community, and if we can all support each other, we can all monetize each other. Okay, we can do it. We can do it, and you can do it. All right. So if you have not done, if you haven't picked up the camera in a while, pick that mother joint up. All right, pick it up. Pick it up. Okay. The world's waiting to see you. Okay. It don't matter how beautiful you are. It don't matter how big or small your nose is. It don't matter short, long. It don't matter how you look. As people want to see your personality. People want to see who you are. Okay? People want to see authenticity. Okay? So my kids are in the back playing around. So just listen to the message. Oh God, now she turned off my light. So just listen to the message. Phoenix, go turn it on. You want to turn the light on?
Yeah.
Go turn it on for mommy. So there's there's no competition. You're not competing with nobody but yourself. That's it right there. So just stay consistent. Make minimum 2 to 3 videos a week. So yeah, right now this is the wave. This is the wave right now. You gotta hop in the wave. You gotta be a part of the wave right now, which is making videos of supporting each other. You have to support, comment on each other's videos. Let people know. Speak up. Listen, closed mouths don't get fed. Closed mouths don't get fed. Why would you do that? Closed mouths do not get fed. Open up your mouth to whatever you want to do. Make your videos be yourself. Okay? So, and put out informative content. You want to speak about work. You want to speak about your mom, your mom life, your single life. You want to single mom life. I mean, you want to talk about you want to make cooking videos, beauty videos, like whatever information you feel like you want to put out, put them out. But vlogging right now, for some reason, people not watching vlogs. I was vlogging and I wasn't getting much views. 30 views here, 90 views here. Like, I would not get no more than 100 views. Literally. Okay? Literally. Everyone is motivated by money, but that shouldn't be what's motivating you to do these videos. Of course, the money is gonna come, so don't even think about that. Okay, like everyone always worried about their wealth. Just focus on what your passion is. Your passion is money. I don't know, talk about stocks or something. I don't know, but just stay consistent with whatever it is that you do, and the money will come. Okay? Stay consistent. You want to make videos every day, make sure that they're informative videos. Okay? You can speak about whatever it is that's going on in your life, but also make those type of videos that's helping people. Nothing in life is easy. Okay? But this right here, if you stay consistent, and if everybody, listen to me, if everybody, whoever watches this video and you are a new YouTuber, put your channel names down below. Comment on my video, and I promise you that you're gonna get subscribers. It's all about supporting each other. It's all about community. We can do it. We can do it. We got this. We're gonna get monetized 2025. It is January. It's the beginning of January. We can do it, okay? We can do it. No matter what your channel is about. Comment down below. Subscribe to my channel, first of all. Subscribe to my channel. I will subscribe to everyone that subscribes to my channel. I will watch. I will make sure that I do my part. I will subscribe and I will watch people's YouTube channels and make sure that I support and help everyone reach their goal. The main goal right now as a small YouTuber, the main goal right now as a small YouTuber is to get monetized. And what do you need to get monetized? Of course, we already know if you're a small YouTuber. 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. It seems like a lot, but it's really not. It's obtainable, okay? It's obtainable. As long as everyone sticks together, let's stick together, okay? You may not like my hair. You may not like how I look. You may not even like how I talk. But guess what? It's a strategy that works, and I need you, you know, do your part. Subscribe to me and I will subscribe to you. But we got this. We got this, okay? I don't know how long you've had your YouTube channel, but this is the year that it's gonna get monetized, okay? Do what motivates you, okay? What's my motivation and my reason why I have a YouTube channel? Look at here, look at here, look at here. I'm running a whole daycare. Now let me stop. These are my babies. These are my babies, and they're my reason why I'm striving to start YouTube. I know that I'm gonna be successful. Okay, look at that beautiful face. I'm gonna be successful. Okay, you have to want it in order to get it. Okay, you gotta put in the work in order to see changes. In order to, you know what I'm trying to say. Put in that work. Make your YouTube, make your videos, make your informative videos. Okay, make sure that you helping people with tips that you've learned, motivating people. Like your thing is to speak and motivate people. Do that. Everyone needs motivation. Okay, it don't matter what your channel is about, but as long as it's helping somebody. So make sure that you comment down below. Make sure that we subscribe into each other's channel. And like I said, baby, it's a new year. Let's go. Let's go. All right. I had a YouTube channel 3 years ago. This is it. This is the YouTube channel that I had 3 years ago. I started uploading, but life got in the way. I wasn't seeing any numbers, and I kind of just gave up on it. You feel me? And this year, 2024, the end of 2024, November, was when I started vlogging and I started uploading. But I noticed that it wasn't working. Like, I wasn't really seeing any views, you know. I was making sure my thumbnails was I was doing my thing, but I wasn't seeing any views. I wasn't seeing anything. No one was really, algorithm wasn't really pushing my videos out there. And if it was, no one was watching it. Okay, so the impressions, I saw that algorithm, YouTube was pushing it out, but no one was watching it. No one wants to see vlogs. And maybe it's the titles the way that I'm titling my videos. Maybe that's another thing, you know. So we got to find ways to get people to click on our videos and watch our videos. All right, so I'm back on YouTube. Looking for new strategies to get me monetized. Thank you, baby. Thank you. Love you. I'm looking for new strategies to help me get monetized. I started a monetization series. Can I get monetized series on my YouTube channel? So just look out for that for my new subscribers. And also just do your thing. Be a part of this community, you know, because you want to be a part of a community that's going to be loyal and that's really going to support. All right, so not that I don't care about big YouTubers, because they already did their part. They already up there. They're already making their money. They already been monetized years ago. So right now is our time. Let's go. Let's go. Make sure that you drop your channel name down below. Make sure that you subscribe to your girl. And let's do this thing. Let's do this thing, all right? Peace.